Look at my little bouquet. They're so freaking cute. I'm addicted. Okay. Finally done. I just gotta put the coating over it. I'm a little, you know, somebody who gets sesame bread. I got the gicole sauce.
Trini girl, you had that vibe and I can't find it nowhere.
In case y'all ain't know, I'm a Legos flower girly. Like, I grew up off Legos. I love me some Legos. And I got a new Legos, y'all. So build with me. Some more to add to my bouquet because who needs real flowers, period. So I'm about to put it together, y'all.
Hey, it's the Drizzy Rapping Creek. My brother Capo from the wave from the street. Wanna fuck with me, but baby, I'm discreet. Samurai Jack. Hey, thinking about this pill I took, pillow talking. Shorty rinsing Dylan Brooks. Can't believe this nigga talking down. My bank account is mag, know your Millie rocking. Hey, widows in my comments talking about some Millie Bobby. Look, bring them jokes up to the game, we get to really flocking. But send a finger to your mama in some FedEx boxes. Open up, that shit is jaw dropping, really shocking. Hey, I ain't pretty Flocko, bitch, this shit get really rocky. Hey, damn, what? Dirty how I did them in a way. Say, she acting Hollywood, this ain't LA. No way, she a pretty little lie like she shake. But that's bae, long as she don't lie to me, then it's okay. It's just another late night with my bitch. Just another late night with my bitch. And I hate to even call her as my bitch. Cause I love that hoe, don't even make no sense. Just another late night with
my flowers are finito. Look at my little bouquet. They're so freaking cute. Yeah. Finally. It took me 2 days to do this, but they're cute. Give me it, poo-poo. Buy me flowers. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing one of my infamous me days. So I haven't done a me day in like a little minute now. Like I used to, if y'all know, y'all watch me for a minute, y'all know that I used to do me days like all the time. I used to hang out with myself, go out to eat, you know. I have no problem chilling with myself, but I feel like I haven't done that recently because there's nothing really to do here, honestly. And yeah, so I'm having a me day today by all costs. I don't know everything I'm doing. I have a list of things that I can potentially do today. All I know is that I'm gonna go get my free sub. If you have T-Mobile and you don't have T-Mobile Tuesdays, what are you doing, sis? Because they be giving out free stuff on there all the time. So they gave me a free Firehouse sub, which Firehouse subs is my favorite place to get a sub from. So I'm gonna go get my free sub. I also got a gift card for Starbucks. I'm probably gonna get some Starbucks today. I'm gonna go do my nails. Probably gonna stop by Five Below. I want to go to Marshall's because I'm so desperate to find this Ed Hardy sweatsuit. Like, so I'm going to Marshall's, and I got a couple other things that I got on my little to-do list today. So y'all just gonna come along with me. You know, we're gonna have a little, you know, us day. My me day is gonna be a us day because y'all coming too. Period. And yeah, so I'm just gonna, you know, put on something a little light, a little chill, a little, you know. I don't think I'm gonna put on lashes. I was gonna put on lashes, y'all. Give me ideas on how to get rid of bags because y'all, I don't be getting no sleep. And I woke up at 7 o'clock this morning. I've been up ever since. Right now it's 12 o'clock. So yeah. Yeah, I just finished doing a little light beat because I was tired of looking crusty. I never do my makeup no more. So I'm honestly forgetting how to do my makeup. Like, I feel like my makeup used to come out better back in the day. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little light beat, you know, get a little cute, you know, feel a little good about myself today, period. So that's just what we're going to do. I just wanted to tune into update y'all before, you know, I get on the road and stuff. Feeling to get my nails done, y'all. Like, it's been a minute. I was doing a little nail break. It's been like a month probably now, like a month or some change now. So yeah, I'm ready to get these fingers done and my toes. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do, y'all. So I just want to tune in and come along with me, y'all. So next time y'all see me, I should be dressed. Bye. Yeah, comment down below who y'all like better, Jersey Mike's or Firehouse subs. I'm definitely a Firehouse subs girl. I love it here. But y'all, shout out to T-Mobile Tuesdays. If y'all have T-Mobile and y'all don't got T-Mobile Tuesdays, you're missing out on life, okay? Like, they be giving you mad free stuff. I got a free medium sub. Everything tastes better when it's free. I'm about to bust it down up in here. Period. That's my shit.
There you go, doing the most.
Hmm?
There you go, doing the most.
I love it here.
good as fuck.
Let me tell y'all how y'all gotta get y'all sandwich from Firehouse Subs. We gotta get the roasted turkey with the onions, banana peppers, mayonnaise, light mustard, lettuce, and this time I got Monterey Jack, but I usually get Swiss. Salt, pepper, oregano. I'm petty.
What you mean you let time pass? We just, it's like, whatever?
No, we vibing. Tell her don't stop. Saying she ain't going nowhere. She my baby.
Pulling up drop top with a patty, it should be you. But baby, I ain't see you.
God, and I'm God like I should be wrong with savage. Don't want to make it happen. We phone like, who we at? Coming back. Coming with me. Get a bag. My phone like, what you doing? Where your friends at? Who you screwing? Girl, that pussy, man. How you acting like you pay my bills? And coming back. Coming with me. Get a bag. Wanna see it? Where you at? My phone like, where you going? Where your friends at? Who you screwing?
Niggas want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Run you like Bob Saget. Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my best can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My, how the time change. I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind. Inside of me, I can't say. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind. Hey. I can't see, I'm blind.
Yeah, I've been obsessed. Like, I don't even eat McDonald's like that. But y'all, they sweet and spicy jam has me in a freaking headlock. If you haven't tried the sweet and spicy jam yet, I suggest you go try it right now, like immediately. That shit is good as fuck. Why is shit so sticky? But yeah, I stopped at McDonald's because it's my new spot. Ever since they came out with the sweet and spicy jam, I don't even play that. Bit my damn nail. Bless him. In case you remember that I didn't show y'all my nails. I just got done painting and stuff because I'm trying to finish up this picture. This portrait, so don't mind it, but so freaking cute. White toes for the thirsties. I haven't got white in a minute. I always do French tips. I was like, let me get a little white, you know? That's freaking cute. Super cute.
tastes in the stew. I met 7 different women and they all nothing like you. Don't ask me if I ate, cause I ain't worried about no food. She said I ain't seen you since 9, so once it's 10, I'm calling you.
Spot, y'all. This is how my food looks, y'all. I got the gicole. You see my sauce. And now I got my fave wheel, plantain, and pickles. Period. Period. It's going down. Basement. I'm about to watch my show, Sisters. If you know, you know, y'all. Do y'all watch Sisters? Because if you not, get up on it. Because Tyler Perry be doing his thing with these. Tune in. Sisters. Tyler Perry Sisters. A1. They come on every Wednesday. I'll be feeding. Shit fire. All Tyler Perry shows is fire, yo. I'm a Tyler Perry girl, okay?
Previously on Sisters. Roll your sleeves up instead of over here calling yourself J-Bones.
Sorry about that.
I'm not the one you need to be apologizing to, am I? Get upstairs.
Don't make me kill him.
Less we know, the better.
I wish I could take you to my house right now and make love to you.
I might like that. Wait, did we just meet?
Y'all remember her from Power?
Really
Let me know. Comment down below.
Atlanta?
Can't believe she's still wearing pants with
I know, babe. We'll figure it out.
Hours? No, 3 hours. I have. What is that? To say good. Okay.
Y'all going to Columbia? Yeah. Just y'all two. Y'all have fun. Take a shot.
Well, we're taking plenty of shots. There's always snacks in there.
Did you want to insure this phone? In case anything happens to it, it's free as long as you keep your service active for 24 seconds. The phone is
I'm in T-Mobile right now trying to get a new phone. Period. Because obviously y'all know I record on my phone, so I'm trying to give y'all good quality. So yeah. I've been craving some corn soup, so I'm making some corn soup right now. Period. I got my dumpling ready. Chicken tikka mad on a bowl, y'all. I don't have, it's like a little last minute soup, so I don't got all the ingredients I need. Like I wanted some potatoes and stuff, but I don't got it. So I'm waiting for the chicken to, you know, get soft before I add my other ingredients. Yeah, I'm doing a puzzle right now. This is what the puzzle's supposed to look like. It's like a little bear thing eating some ramen. Cute. I was gonna like Mod Podge it and like frame it and stuff and put it in the kitchen. Cute. But yeah, you gotta be smart to do a puzzle. Like, for real, for real. Anybody who ever tried to do a puzzle, comment down below if you do puzzles. Because this puzzle, I've been here for probably like 30 minutes now. And this is how far I got. But I'm getting it now. Once you get one piece, you start to really like get it. So you gotta like, you know. I be having to predict what pieces go in the spot. But I'm gonna hit y'all back when I'm done with the puzzle. Oh, they I predicted. Okay. You wasting time. Let's go get Mexican food. I'm excited. I'm hungry. It's the third of the day. Sorry. Period. Yeah. Listen. cute. Yeah, this is the best food I had all week, y'all. Like, best. Okay? I busted down up in there. Oop. You could tell I busted down. I still got it on my face. Publix. I haven't been here in a minute, y'all. That's my store. I remember this used to be my store, y'all. I used to work at Publix. That's my baby. I'm a little, you know, somebody who gets sesame bread. Like, who selectively chooses
Niggas from the south.
to get sesame bread. Like, what? Out of all the breads, not brioche, not regular bread, not none of that. Just then one sesame bread. I got my pastelito turkey. Yeah, I've been feeding it for some folks. All right. Finally done with this painting. I don't know if y'all remember, but I told y'all I was doing a custom painting for somebody. And yeah, we're finally done. I just got to put the coating over it. And yeah. Comment down below how it looks. And follow Forevertrinibookings on Instagram. Lemonade, girl. I used to get strawberry lemonade everywhere I go.
I want to try it, but it's not good.
We all over my steak with a steak come.
It might be my son.
No, it's not.
It's not like that.